Okay, that made no sense. But anyhow, so is this definitely the right line? Ah, okay. Are we the right time?
These three. They actually these three first.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much. Just drop them to me later.
Yeah. Well, drop something.
Yeah. It's like the first one, and then they make it okay.
It needs to be approved.
Ah, right.
You can't just grab it.
Ah. So all that is what's wrong? All that is the line to space.
Saw someone in the other machine get a happy ride one.
No.
I'm very mad. I'm sad because that was like one of my favorites.
Cute. Oh, look at that. Hang on, I feel. Okay, show me the. Here, let me see. Oh, that's cool. We can see the Disney Sea volcano going off over there. That's crazy. We're in the Space Mountain line. Wow. Yeah.
We gorged 2 fireworks shows at once.
Yeah. How cool.
That's cool. They're that close together. Oh, it's fire. Oh, just together.
Yeah, we're going to Mama. Can we use it? It's really fast.
We can use it on anything. But the thing is that you've got the return time. So it's basically an unlimited priority pass.
Yeah, well, we could use
As long as you wait out the times for each ride.
Yeah, but we could get food and use perfectly in the seat. Jumps in. Rolls off in the sunset.
You gotta just put it at your feet.
Yeah.
Just at your feet. See, look, see all that stuff? Just put it at your feet, that's all.
Mickey.
maybe, you know, I'd put it between my ankles, but that's just me. Pull up on your bar. Hey, Brooke. everything? Pretty decent. Yeah. Then she lost a Dumbo.